So we start out today's video with our first hair color transformation. Wow, a beautiful blonde makeover. And this is one of my favorite short hair influencers to follow. She always has the cutest short hairstyle ideas. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more fall hair color ideas. Here we see someone rocking out this burgundy style pixie. This is so beautiful and right on trend with the color range we are seeing this fall. Very nice. Now for the past couple of seasons, we've been seeing blue hair floating around and it doesn't seem to be slowing down. So here we have someone getting like a shaggy mullet variation with a blue hair color. I love how this hair shade looks next to her eyes. So pretty. Definitely bringing the cool girl vibes. So then we see someone who has a bob. She's got some grown out color here. The stylist cuts the hair into more of like a shaggy bob variation. Bit of a shaggy pixie style, and then adds in some color. Such a fun hairstyle. I love the texture, the cut, the color, very nice. Next up, we have another bold color transformation. They're also playing into that reddish color trend with this gorgeous copper tone. Very nice pixie style. Next up, I have another bold blue color variation. So she's got blue with pops of other colors sprinkled in the form of highlights. Very cute style, kind of like a shaggy bob. Oh, so pretty. And I love the way that this looks with her makeup. Just flawless. So then we have another cut and color change. They're going to be going platinum, the form of this pixie style. Oh, she looks so gorgeous. Very nice. And then we see someone rocking the pop of color with the blonde mixed with the copper. Two of the hottest hair color trend combinations that we are seeing this fall season. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.